Diwali is almost here, and so are the freshly cooked dishes with love and comfort. On special demand, we are making healthy chura today. Just 2 tablespoons of oil, you can make this healthier, crispier, non-fried chura in just about 20 minutes. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there. Welcome to Healthylicious Bites. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell for healthy and delicious recipes. Let's begin with roasting our nut. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Spread the nuts evenly on the baking tray and bake for 3 to 6 minutes. Let's begin to prepare our poha by heating the white thick pan, then add thin poha. Using a spatula or spoon, gently toss the poha to get evenly roasted. Since they are very peppery, light and delicate, do not rush. Also keep the flame low. Diwali is always exciting time for foodies. But if you are looking for some healthy Diwali snacks, then don't forget to check our festive series. Within 4 to 5 minutes, poha flakes will change their texture and become crisp. Let's keep aside and let it cool. Let's make the chivda masala and assemble everything. Heat the oil in a pan on medium heat. Now let's shallow fry dalia. I could have roasted this with other nuts. However, dalia has less oil content and when you roast in an oven, it tastes little dry. Once the dalia is crisp, let it cool down and keep it aside. In the same kadai, let's add our roasted nuts and dry masala. Add fried curry leaves and chilies. See the description box for instruction to prepare it. Let's add the rest of the dry masala and spices. At this point, you can add your choice of farsan. Crisp to perfection, these baked methi shaves are so tasty and crunchy. The link for this video is given below, so don't forget to check that. Turn off the flame, keep the kadai on flat surface. Let's combine masala and poha. Again, gently toss the poha and mix it. Don't apply too much force while stirring, else the poha flakes will break. The aroma is so tempting that I can't even wait to taste it. But hold on. Let the chura sit in the hot pan for about 1 to 2 minutes more until it reaches the room temperature. Once it is cooled down, then store it in airtight container. Enjoy this crispy goodness with cup of hot tea and some sweet. Happy Diwali everyone. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to like and share your love for cooking with friends and family. I'll see you in next video. Until then, stay happy and have a healthy, delicious day.